Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday. It's a free day for everyone, so all the live streams will be public. Let's not lose time and let's start with Bitcoin on higher time frame. We'll continue to do the review and then we'll go on lower time frame to see maybe you have some potential trades. After I'll close this live stream, Stefan will do the day trading with Stefan. Yeah, so you can ask him all the questions. I'll try to do a short plan and then I'll let Stefan to do a bigger live stream, a longer one with a lot of requests. Okay, so Bitcoin CME chart, daily time frame, gap down, gap up, all over the place. You saw that fear is at max. You saw silver pumping like crazy. You saw gold pumping like crazy lately. I warned you yesterday in the general chat not to fuck around as day traders on gold and silver. Is dangerous. Some people decided, well, it's not dangerous. Well, you'll learn on the hard way. It's totally up to you. Okay, so what do we have on Bitcoin now? We are still holding 84,600, which means we can still push higher and make a new high, but this red thinking bounce and then dump is more and more probable. I want to see a clear double. I want to see a bit of strength from Bitcoin, and I don't see it for the moment. Yes, it's strong. Gold and silver are strong. Bitcoin, eh. It is what it is. I'm always hoping for a bit more strength on crypto, especially on Bitcoin. Maybe that will change. Maybe this will form something nice, but I just don't see it for the moment. Yeah, it's holding this support, but it's barely holding this support. Reaching this level and not bouncing like crazy is not the best sign. I still believe in a pump, on a dead cat bounce. I still believe that Bitcoin could push higher and then dump if it will be to dump or continue higher, but look at it. Could be an island bottom. I don't know what to say about that. We'll know more next couple of days, maybe next week, about island bottom here. Classic chart, similar sentiment. Yeah, we have some support. Just give me a clear W. I don't have the W. I'm not inclined to do anything, and I'll wait more as a swing trader on daily and 4-hour chart. Ethereum, similar like Bitcoin, on the wrong side of the trend line in the long reload zone. Okay, we bounced a little bit from 2,800, but today is Tuesday, and today we should see the weekend low being swept. That makes me think we can do another round lower, and then we'll have to see what's next. Slow and steady, people. We are not here to call top, bottom, will go up, will go down. We are here to play setups. And we are here to find nice levels to pay attention on. I'm not here to tell you, well, Bitcoin will go to that level. Ethereum will go to 2,500 exactly, and then will push to the moon. No. I'm here to find good locations. I'm here to find good setups. And let's play our setups, not opinions and moon boy stuff. So, we have location here, but nothing else on daily. We have a potential. Something is nice. Well, actually, no. Actually, I think we closed this one. Yes, we did. Actually, it's not potential anymore. Well, that's nice to see. You can see low, higher, low, low, lower, low. So we have a confirmed bullish divergence on Ethereum. We don't have a W, but we have location and we have bullish divergence. That's not bad. That's actually nice. Now, if you give me a double in this area, somewhere in this area, I'll be more than happy to play a general setup there. But let's wait for that W. So we have one reason, second reason, the third reason is to be waited. Morning. Okay. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Nothing we can say about this one. We had W's, we have M's. It's going sideways. Yeah, could go up, could go down. You know the drill. But actually, it's in a range and is just fucking around in this area. Of course, it's crypto. We can go all the way down here, or we can bounce and swap the high. But for the moment, you can see it's just staying flat. Not bad, not terrible, but not great either. Dominance. Well, I'm still hoping for yams here. I don't see an yam on daily, not even on 4-hour chart. So, is this an yam? No. This is slightly higher high. Looks like an yam, but actually it's a range. And I don't think, my 2 cents about this one, I don't think we'll go down without touching 60% again. We did once here, 19 January, maybe it's enough. But on daily, I don't have an yam. I'll wait for a daily yam. And you know how strong the daily yams are. But I don't have an yam, not yet. In the same time, if we'll accept above 60%, I told you multiple times, that means we'll confirm this big W, and we don't want to see that. Yes, strong like bull. Look at it. I said don't short, just hedge your portfolio if you have a lot of exposure on traditional market, okay? But this is strong. It's holding this uptrend channel, top of the channel, like a boss. And will probably push higher above 7,000, yes. We know when we'll have a top. Give me a daily M. Give me at least a 3-bar fractal top on daily or weekly. Until then, no. We are holding this level and we'll probably push higher. Where are the people that said that ES will dump like crazy in 2025, 2026? Where are the people that told you to sell here? Where are the people that told you to sell here? It's over. Where are they now? I don't hear them anymore. Yeah? Where are they? Well, it's over. No, it's not. Just market doing its thing and influencer pushing the sentiment at the extremes. So, well, that's how the market is working. That's for sure. But don't be part of the public. Don't believe the narrative. Don't believe the stories. Conclusion here, well, we are in the short reload zone. As a day trader, maybe you can hunt an SFU or something. But as a swing trader, the chart on daily looks like I don't want to say a new all-time high, but look how close it is. A bullish news and we have a new high. We are in that environment. Yeah, a new day, a new high. 2026 should be top of the market. Somewhere in 2026 we should have the top of the market. But when and how, don't ask me because I don't know. Gold. Well, in the yesterday dump on gold and silver, I saw that the market wants to dump a little bit to clean itself out. And I posted on general chat and I said, don't fuck around because it's dangerous. If you are a day trader, stay the fuck out. Don't try to outsmart. Well, hopefully you understand. Yeah? It's not over like everyone is saying. Well, they dumped, it's over, it's done. No. When you see everyone saying higher and higher and higher, nobody will be left to think critically and say, well, why the fuck I should touch this one? Well, probably we are closer to the top. We are, from yesterday, seeing the volatility here, we are in that last part of the cycle. We are in the exponential, in the crazy part of the cycle, where logic doesn't have any meaning. Yeah? We can push higher, of course we can. That's the hard part of that part of the cycle. You don't know what will happen. The market will pump, will dump, will pump, will dump until will take all your money. If you are long from lower, then enjoy. Silver, similar. I took my profit here a little bit. I took my profit here a little bit. I don't care about this candle. Why I should care? If you are a day trader and you try to scalp long here, well, or if you saw this candle rejection, you'll say, well, I'll short from here to lower. Well, I have a lot of room. Well, it's dangerous to play metals as day traders from now on. Stay the fuck out. The volatility is so big, so you cannot get a clear position on lower time frame. Just my 2 cents. Maybe there are people that they are making a lot of money. I don't know. My humble opinion is that we should stay the fuck out from metals as day traders. Gold versus silver, no bottom. I'll keep my position. I don't have any problems with keeping the silver long. We can dump lower? Of course we can. I showed you yesterday how low we can go. We can go to 30 ounces. We can go even lower. So until I'll see a double bottom here, I'm more than okay to hold my silver long. I should move the moon a bit higher? Maybe. Let's wait and see. Okay. Total market cap, we are exactly in the same place for the last couple of days, fighting 3 trillion. Well, it's okay. You have to understand how small the crypto market overall is. How much money disappeared yesterday from gold and silver? Half of the market cap of crypto. Imagine that. So yesterday dump removed half of the total market cap from crypto. A lot of money out there, and crypto is still small, people. So don't tell me it's over on crypto. Well, it's over, it's done. No, it's not. But in the same time, we need to play setups. Total 3. We are fighting this long reload zone here. I think we'll consolidate more. And maybe make some W's again. Maybe sweep the low, this low, maybe sweep this low, and then make some W's. I don't see anything to make me happy to say, well, look at the altcoin season. We'll pump from here, we'll go straight to the moon. Look at the W, look at the bullish divergence. No. We had a W, we pumped, we made this ugly M, and we are back at the original place, doing nothing. That means we should wait even more. That's my overview, people. A lot of volatility, ugly volatility, to be honest, on Bitcoin here. Gaps everywhere. Altcoins, not the best scenario for them. Watch Bitcoin dominance, because if we am out on daily, even on 4-hour chart, if you see something, that could trigger a long on some altcoins. But overall, ES at the all-time high. Gold at the all-time high. Silver at the all-time high. Call me crazy, but risk on and risk off pumping in the same time is not a good thing. Usually it's a sign of a top. It's a sign of something wrong. And crypto doesn't care about it. Crypto is staying flat or is dumping. Well, when we said that, we joked that silver or gold will reach 5K before Ethereum. Now it's a reality. Okay, people, that's the overview. Let's go on lower time frame. No big events today, at least not on the trading economic calendar. Trump could say something and move the market, of course. I bet on that. He will say something else today. But not big news on the calendar. Well, now because it's Tuesday, we have the Monday high and the Monday low, and we can play the Monday range. Unfortunately, in the morning, we SFU that level and we dumped before I even reached my desk. And that happened on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum. So, fuck me, but I didn't manage to get these entries. We still have possibility to trade. Yeah, we traded yesterday. If you remember, we traded this week high. We made some money in this dump. Was the only trade I took yesterday because it was Monday, nothing was happening. We SFU'd in the morning this level. Maybe in New York, maybe in London even, we can SFU again this high. That will be nice. Or we can SFU this low or the Monday low or below the Monday low. But to be honest, seeing the daily chart, seeing the CME all over the place, I'm tempted to stay the fuck out. Stay the fuck out and play only SFU setups. I said, well, SFU for Monday. Well, now I'm saying SFU for Tuesday also. I don't want to play anything else. I want to wait for an SFU setup. Now, for example, it's kind of late here to trigger any setup. This one could dump all the way down here to the middle of the range and then even more. But because I didn't manage to enter here at the SFU level, nothing I can do. I saw some people on Discord, they took it even without us. They said, well, I know the setup, I know how you are thinking. I also know that you are sleeping at this hour, I'll take the setup. Well, good for you. If you know how to play it, if you learn how to play the setup and you are able to respect the risk management and the stop loss, go ahead. Why not? It's not a complex setup. It's something easy. Everyone could learn. The problem is not to learn the setup. The problem is to respect the setup. So, for example, you took a YAM here, took a 5. Let's go on 5-minute chart. If you took this one, okay? You took this trade here, you put the entry here, the stop loss there. If the market will push here, get the fuck out. That's the hard part. Not to enter. Because the setup is pretty clean. And by the way, here you had a fake out. So if you took this one, you are out. If you took this one, you are still in. And nice and profit for the moment. I'm not going to stay on 5-minute chart and show you scalps because Stefan will do a live stream after I close this one. So I'll go back on 1 hour. My thinking is SFU playing the Monday range and that's it. I don't think we'll have anything else. Ethereum, similar story. Similar story. We have some SFU levels. You can see this is an SFU level. This is an SFU level. If the market will pump, and maybe you'll have reasons to pump, I don't know. This could be an SFU. We should pay attention if the market will go there. This could be an SFU. And we should pay attention also. Pretty simple. In meantime, here, I don't want to fuck around. We tested the Monday high and we are dumping a little bit. Could be an SFU here? Yes. We can take this one, but you really want to play that game? To be honest, I'll probably stay out. I'll hunt on Bitcoin at this level at the Monday high, not on Ethereum. If the market dumps here, at the equal lows here, then yeah, I could play along. If I look left, we have an SFU here. So a lot of confluence here. In the middle of the range, nothing I can do. I'll stay the fuck out. Well, that's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum. If you zoom out a little bit more on 4-hour chart, you'll see that this motherfucker is trying to do power of 3. You can see, Aster. This is the level. This was the fake out. Give me a clear breakout and then a retest, and then I'll take it. I'll play it exactly as a power of 3. I like it as a power of 3, nothing else. I don't want to do anything else here. I have a big bag on spot, and if I'll find a power of 3, I could play that setup. If not, well, so be it. I still want to participate in Aster story. Yes, I think has a bright future, but not exactly now or not on the short time frame. On higher time frame, I think they'll pump. Blue AI, we made money. If you remember, we had that trade that pumped. Now we are back at the original place, and after a pump and a dump, we need to consolidate and wait more. AT, it's in the same place. If you remember, people, if you remember about this trade, let me find it. Monad. Remember this one? Well, I posted a trade here with this W, the stop loss here. The motherfuckers did another swap. They took my stop loss and now they are pumping. And yesterday someone asked me, well, you are still in that trade because you see that it's strong. And no, I'm not. I respect my best friend. If the market touches this level, I'm automatically out and hunting the next setup. Now, in this case, looks like I'm stupid because I did that. But tell me what will happen if I'll not put a stop loss here and the market will dump, let's say, all the way down at 1 cent or even lower. Or we'll do a crazy, I don't know, something happens and we'll go close to 0 and then come back up. What will happen with my portfolio? If I'm playing spot, that's a different story. If I'm playing the setup like this, I'll get the fuck out. Yeah, in this case, looks like, well, now it's in profit. Not a problem. I'll wait for the W. I'll wait for the setup. But I'm out. And I recommend not to fuck around with the stop loss. You want to learn on the hard way, you want to lose your portfolio, you want to be in a bad situation, then fuck around. You will find out. I did. Not to stop loss specifically, but if you fuck around, you'll definitely find out. Because you can fuck around for 1 fucking year, for 2 years, and you need to find out only once. And you're done. And you have to start over. Imagine that you build a portfolio from 10K or 5K to 150K and then you lose it all. You have the strength to start over again? You want to be in that situation? No. So don't fuck around then. That's moving the stop loss or removing the stop loss. It's in the category stupid mistakes you never should do. It's that simple. And when you make money with a mistake, it's the worst thing that could happen, because that is telling you you get a reward because you did the wrong thing. And that will teach your brain, well, let's fuck around. Let's find out. And you'll find out at some point in time. Okay, what we can do here? Well, for the moment, because we swept the lows, I need to wait for a better W. Clear W here. I don't think we'll pump without us. If we'll pump without us, well, so be it. So the guy who still has the trade here, you are in a mistake, which will cost you some money at some point in time. You can make 10x, 10R, 100R with this trade, I still don't care and I still consider it a mistake. Bad habit. Okay. Rest of the shit coins, I don't see them pumping or doing anything special. I saw one with 9%. Trying to do a W, 4-hour W here. Breakout and retest, and maybe. We have some bullish divergence. We have some W's on OBV. So this one, it's acceptable. I'll take the trade here at the breakout. I don't know about that. It's possible. But maybe a breakout and a retest. So this one could be something. Another one. This one. No. No, thank you. Collect. What the fuck is this? All over the place. No, thank you. No. In general, dominance is telling us that it's not the best moment. For now, it's not the best moment for altcoins. Could aim out, could dump, and then to give us a clue that altcoins will outperform Bitcoin? I'm waiting for that. On 4-hour chart, it's an M pattern, not an M, because you can see it's equal highs here, but it's trying to M out. Well, accept below this level. Okay? Accept below 59.50, close below, and then I'll say, well, looks like we had a range and we accepted below. And that will make me be a bit more aggressive on altcoins. But still, 4-hour dominance, 4-hour time frame on dominance, 4-hour on or 1 hour on altcoins. If you see the altcoins pumping like crazy, if you'll accept below and some altcoins starting to pump, you can chase them with Holy Grail if you are premium or VIP member. It's that simple. I think we have half an hour. Keep in mind that we have Stefan today. I'll make a short live stream. I'll just say, if you want to join Discord, you can apply for Discord, but chances to get in, they are slim. Okay? And some people will not be accepted. I know that some of them, they're upset why I'm not accepting them. That's my decision. It's not a democracy. And I don't want to explain the reasons why I don't accept them. Only Stefan knows, and I'll keep it that way. Because if I'll tell why I'm not accepting some people, or what are the rules, why I'm keeping some people out, they could trick me after that. So no. If you cannot join Discord, you can subscribe to Stefan, and Stefan will give you some ideas. Will give you a bit more than for public. Yeah, there are some things that we keep private. There are some people we don't accept on Discord. Sorry if you are a good guy and you really want to learn, but you can learn from Stefan subscription also. Okay. Okay. Capo 1, Capo 2, late registration. Yeah, we'll start next week. Next week, Capo 1 and Capo 2 will start. We still accept late registration until then. Anything else I should say? I don't think so. Wait for Stefan to post the link, and then go and ask Stefan all the requests you can imagine. Okay? Stefan is doing only one live stream per week for the public, so go and bug him and ask him everything. I'll be in the chat. Yeah, I'll be around. I'm always in the chat, or I'm always online. So see you people in Stefan live stream or tomorrow with the same daily crypto plan. Yeah, about that, we have that live stream for the public, what Stefan does. But maybe in time, just maybe, Stefan will make it for Discord and subscription on his Twitter. I don't know. I'll let Stefan decide that. For the moment, it's public. For the moment, these live streams are for public. Yeah. In my opinion, maybe I'm wrong. In my opinion, we give more value in these public live streams that more than other people in their VIP subscription. If you know how to trade, you don't need anything else. You just need this live stream, pay attention, put some alarms, learn some setups, and make some money. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.